Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Log4 and I will explain to you all the point in the further video. So let's get started. In today's video our agenda will be this point, and the first point is what is a Log4j, and the second point is how the Log4j is working, and the third point is why it is a super hot topic nowadays, how to prevent and solution for the Log4j. Here the first point is answer. Apache Log4j is Java based logging utility written by Seki Kusu, and it is a part of Apache logging service, a project of the Apache Software Foundation. Log4j is one of the several Java logging framework and written in the Java, and Log4j framework is very popular to use in the Java application. Initially released January 8, 2001, and it is completed 20 years. Now we will learn how Log4j is working. I have created here the small diagram. With this diagram I will explain you Log4j workflow. Here suppose application is there, here is user, and this is a server, LDAP server, and here the some data is there. Now the user will do the activity and give the request to the user and asking the date, time, name, profile, and server give the response to the user, and this process will happening vice versa. User give the request to the server and server give response to the user. Now this is process is done by the JNDI Java naming and directory interface. With this JNDI, data transmission is happening. Now here the Log4j introducing. Log4j is a framework for the logging framework. Is very popular and it is usually used in the Java application. So here they have integrated JND in the Log4j. So here the one disadvantage of the JND which is the less than 2.1.4, and that JND and the JNDI features do not support again the attacker controlled LDAP and other JND related endpoint. Because of this, Log4j vulnerability is happening and hacker taking the advantage of this. Now the hacker is doing activity and they are payloading. This is the this format input in the Java application, and the variable they have giving on server location. Now if attacker is giving the input to application, and a Log4j will read the input and it will redirect to the attacker server, because attacker is given the on server location path. So the request, instead of going here, it will go to the here and here, and attacker will give the malware in the application, and with the malware they can hack the application and attacker take the control. They can take the remotely control and they can execute the code remotely based. Attacker they have control all application as remotely. They can stolen the data, important data of the application. This is the globally problem nowadays. Why it is a hot topic? Because it is directly impacting the business and data security. Attacker can do remotely control execution code on the system. Log4j security vulnerability is found 24th of November. Chen Zhangzun found he is an employee of Alibaba Group's cloud security. With thanks to Chen Zhangzun, he is founded and have publicly 9th of December. So all the people all over the world, they know this is the threat is came in the Java application with the for the log4j, and this is all over the world problem, and all the IT's company is planning to solve this issue as soon as possible because of the critical security reason. Now the point is come how to prevent and solve the issue. For the issue prevention, first we need to check the log4j version in the application. Suppose if log4j version from 2.1 beta 9 through 2.12.1 and 2.13.0 through 2.14.1, because these are the version are affected. Now new version is came, which is the 2.1.5. they have disabled the input pattern from the 2.15 version. To solve this issue, first we need to check the log4j version. If between this version to this version, so immediately remove and update the latest patch, which is the 2.1.6 and 2.1.6. They have removed from the input pattern, which I have earlier shown in the video, and the latest log4j 2.6 patch came with, they have removed input this kind of parameter from the log4j. So I will take you in the official website, and there I will show you some point which is they have a mention regarding the log4j. This is the official website of log4j security vulnerability. This URL I will drop in the description box. You can go through this website and you can learn. You will get the clear picture, and if you have any confusion, you will go through all the details. You will get the more idea about that. See here, that website have a mention mitigation measurement, and here the released details 2.15. a message lookup the feature was disabled by default. Okay, they have disabled 2.1.0, and from the version 2.16 for the Java 8, the message lookup features have been completely removed. They have removed that feature where that security vulnerability is happening. So you can freely use 2.1.6. If in your application have lesser version, then I will suggest to immediately just upgrade your patch, and I will give you link description box where you can download the latest version of the log4j. This is the website URL in the description box. So here that latest version you can download it here, and you can upgrade your patch. And also I will go to the official Git website. They have also have told the priority to upgrade 2.1.6 version, and this is the features configuration log message parameter protect against the attacker control LDAP or other gender related endpoint. See, all that message have mentioned here. I will share all the URL in the description, so you can take it from and you can go through to take more knowledge there. Thank you for watching my video.